Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple short. Join&coin here. Thanks for your support. All right. So in Vechain, we saw a breakout here in the last 2 days. And as we talked in my last update, if we don't get here a bearish cross on the 3rd of August, then chances are that Vechain is heading to the upside. So the RSI is here on the 4-hourly in bullish territory, and also the MACD suggests that we are in an uptrend. So on the 2nd of August, Vechain found some support here at the EMA 50 on the 4-hourly, bounced off of it, and found support on the EMA 20. So Vechain is back here in this trading zone. And so what are the next targets? Well, let's jump to the daily. On the daily, we can see it better. This major resistance line, what we talked in my last videos, so at 0.028, got broken to the upside on the 3rd of August. Our next target was here, the 3.1 cent. So exactly here, Vechain found some resistance because it's also the EMA 100 on the daily. You can see here this blue line. So we have to be a bit careful here because now the RSI on the daily is in the overbought condition. But the RSI suggests that we're in a beautiful uptrend here now. So what are the next targets? Well, first we can draw here this trend line, which lines around the EMA 200 on the daily. And if you bring up the Fibonacci's from here, first target for Vechain was here the 3 cent. And simply because it was the 0.786. So you can see here with this green candle here to the upside, Vechain exactly found some resistance here at the 3 cent level. First got rejected and now is finding some resistance here at the EMA 100. So targets to the upside for Vechain would be here if Vechain can further pump to the upside and break the EMA 100, the 0.034, and then this resistance line here with the EMA 200 on the daily at the 1.272 at 4 cents. So this would be the next targets to the upside. If Vechain can break here the EMA 100 on the daily, but we have to be aware that the RSI on the daily is a bit in the overbought. So it would make sense to come here a bit for a retest to the EMA 50 or the EMA 20 here, cool off a bit, and then start the next attempt here to the upside. But nevertheless, if the EMA 100 got broken to the upside, these are the next targets. And if you take a look here on the linear chart, what we talked about in one of my updates, we can see here that, Vechain was building here this falling wedge. And as you can see here, Vechain is about to break this wedge to the upside. So if this plays out, this would bring Vechain back here to 17 cents. So you can see it is a huge falling wedge. And finally, we broke out here. Also MACD, we got a bullish cross here on the weekly, what we talked in my last updates. Also the RSI here seems that it has bottomed out. All right, so in Vechain Bitcoin, there was this sign here. You remember this breakout here? And I told you, look at this breakout. And what happened? Vechain was outperforming and printing here this green candle. If this here is not a fake out and Vechain is again coming here in this region, then we can take a look here. When Vechain broke out here of this downtrend, you can see Vechain broke out, came for a small retest. And when was this? So most interestingly, it was in January of 21. And where was the price in January of 21? It was exactly here when Vechain broke the resistance, and look at where we are now. So I think it's interesting to see that exactly in January Vechain broke here this resistance. So anyway, we don't know I mean, yeah, you can draw this trend line like this if this got rejected here, and it seemed that Vechain was already breaking out here, but the market conditions was just bearish. So yeah, this is what you don't know if you draw these trend lines here. But what we can see here is that we had a huge bullish divergence on the weekly, and we have here a bullish cross on the MACD. So if you take a look on the daily, Vechain found resistance here, 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 and also in April. So can this be the starting point when Vechain is outperforming again Bitcoin? By the way, what is your favorite altcoin? Please let me know in the comments. All right, yeah, so let's take a look at Vechain Ethereum. Finally, Vechain Ethereum, with the recent pump, printed this green candle here. Yeah, we will see here in the coming days, because as the time of recording, so Vechain is still in this downward channel here against Ethereum. But also here, we saw some bullish cross on the MACD already in March. And yeah, there are some bullish signs here, definitely in Vechain Ethereum. But yeah, so if Bitcoin is crashing the party, yeah, then Vechain also will get rejected here. But let's hope that Vechain can break out from here after such a long period of a downwards trend. And we will see in the coming days and weeks. I'm bullish on altcoins in the middle to long term. And yeah, if you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for that. I wish you a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.